this is the way you do the knit stitch. So you put your needle in between those two stitches, and you're going to pick up the front part of that first stitch. Do not pick up the back, only the front part, and you make a T in the back. Now with your right hand, you're going to go around your needle from the back to the front, and then that yarn is going to come through from the back to the front. In between your two stitches, you make your T in the front, and you take that one off your needle. Let's do that again. You go in between your two stitches, pick up the front of that first stitch and make a T in the back. So go around your needle from back to front, bring it to the front. See how that new yarn is coming through. In between your two stitches, make a T in the front and take it off. Again, you're going to pick up the front of that stitch, make a T in the back, around from that back to front, pull that string down, bring your yarn with the new stitch to the front and between the two stitches, and take it off. So that is the last stitch. Go pick up the front of that stitch, make your T in the back, yarn over your needle, bring your stitch to the front and take it off. Now that first and last stitch always is very wobbly. Don't worry too much about it, because it'll fall in place. See how it doesn't get wobbly on the sides. So it's okay. And this is the way it looks when you do a knit stitch on both sides, and then this is called garter stitch. So thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. Thank you.